Crypto bros, this is very important update, probably the most important this year because you can be prepared for the altcoin season that is upcoming very likely within 2 weeks. So before we start, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, and let's go. Basically, we have a summertime on the market. Exactly like I told you, we are going to be trading within this range, within 29,500 and 31,500. And this is very, very, very positive news for the all altcoin lovers, for the all altcoin traders, because we are going to have very likely within 2 weeks a altcoin season, at least, maybe not a complete altcoin season, but at least a spike to the levels of 40, 50, 60 here on the altcoin and Bitcoin season index. The reason for that is historically, you can see that the longest time when we had the huge Bitcoin season like we are having right now lasted for around 3 months, and now the 3 months will finish in actually 2 days. So we will finish the 3 months of the Bitcoin season, and everything after that will be the longest Bitcoin season ever in the history. That's why we can suppose that likely we're gonna have a altcoin season spike now, especially that we have a big spike here from the level that I showed you, 25,000 USD from the green entry. Exactly, I showed you this level for a long position. Then we spiked, which is of course very positive for Bitcoin, and now we have a stabilization in the market, which is perfect situation for altcoins. Now there is also something interesting coming from Biswap. I've already told you about Biswap, the biggest DEX on BSC Smart Chain, supported by Binance. So Biswap has a bright future behind them, and they have just released a new AMM, which is V3. Okay, if you're not familiar with AMM, this is automated market maker, a new version. And this is basically how DEXs work, so that all the transactions are automated and there is no need for somebody in between. So you're basically trading with a smart contract. There's nobody in the middle. The safest way, the easiest way. Now look, here are the key benefits that I want to show you. Okay, for traders, you're likely a trader if you're watching the video, so it might benefit you. Regular swaps, flexible fees starting from 0.015, low slippage, 0% on limit orders, and trade at the best price set by yourself. The liquidity providers, 4000x capital efficiency, low fee for migration access, range moderation and optimization, 80% LP rewards from trading and limit orders. Those are the new benefits on the V3. And not only that, so if you want to securely trade without a risk of getting hacked on a centralized exchange, I'm leaving you a link in the description to Biswap. You get 50% cashback with my link. And now look, you also get the fee return if you trade. Like I've already made some small trades and got like 24 BSW tokens that you can withdraw. You basically click withdraw and it goes from the smart contract to your wallet. And you know they've been supported by Binance. So let's look at the updated data on Biswap. TVL is $129 million. Total trading volume is $44 billion. Regarding the V3 AMM, once again, 80% LP rewards from trading and limit orders. Fee for limit orders stays 0%, which is amazing. And you can move the liquidity from V2 to V3 to get those benefits if you're already liquidity provider on Biswap. Look at those APRs, 3000% on BFG to BSW in the V3 farms. So definitely something interesting in here. So once again, check all the info in the description. Now this month we've got 5 to 10 that gave a good return. Now the week hasn't been so good. So it looks like we're gonna get good returns within the next month. Once we enter the higher levels in here, we're gonna get good returns on different coins. Now still focus on Bitcoin. Then there will be the time for altcoins. All we have to do is trade within this range, or just don't fall below this support line, which is around 29,500. Now quickly, regarding my gems for the next months, it's DAO Maker. The token is almost at the all-time low, the biggest launchpad in the space. So only once they release a new SHO, which is bullish, then the token will probably like 2x at least. Then Zen, of course, is it as well at the all-time low? Let's check. No, it's almost at the all-time low, but the community is huge. So those are just coins for the bull run. I'm just giving you ideas so that you can do your own research, because remember that this video is not a financial advice. It's only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do own research, Dior. Now also Hook from Binance Launchpad, it's at around 70 million market cap, so a steal as well. Basically the ID and other tokens from Binance Launchpad as well, I can see. So this is it. Make sure to be prepared for what's coming on in crypto. Make sure to stay focused and get ready for the good time, because this might be very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.